Good morning to everyone. Myself Karpuchami. So I'm going to teach something about web technology. So in web technology, I'm going to speak something about in browsers and DOM, which is in fourth unit. So initially we have to know the meaning of the DOM. So document objects model. It is an application programming interface. So it is allow the programming to interact with the HTML and XML document. So it is an typical browser JavaScript version. It is an application programming interface. The document hosted in an objects. This DOM recommended by the W3C Web3 Consortium, Worldwide Web3 Consortium. Then several other browsers then host objects are informal and de facto standards that like alert and prompt. See already we have seen in a previous unit then CSS, then JavaScript. Okay, it is an de facto standard. It provides an alert and prompt window. So next I move to the document objects model introduction, then rollover, then effect, then cursor not over the image. The image is placed in some other places. Then cursor is placed in some other places. See, once we have moved the cursor in top of the image, the image automatically enlarge it. It is already the latest websites and the latest then selling websites are using this then document objects model. See, once you roll out your mouse on that image, the image automatically appear in a very big. The next how we can create a document objects model, then how we can embed it into the DOM to the HTML coding with the CSS. So initially we have to open an HTML tag, then head tag, then title open, then title script close, then meta http equivalent, then content script type, then content text, then JavaScript, then head to close, then body, then p tag, then image id, then image1, then src cfp2, then ping alert flower part, then height equal to 86, then width of that particular image is 44, then on mouse over, then show image1, then on mouse out, then show second image cfp2, then image, then body close, then paragraph close, then html close. See, the import JavaScript code over here, script type equal to text, then slash JavaScript, then src source equal to rollover.js. So this is the meta type equivalent to the JavaScript type, then course content text, then JavaScript, then call to the JavaScript show function. So the show function mouse move over away from the image. So id1, notice that id1 of that image is the first argument to show, then image1, then rollover.js, then function show, then eltid, then url, then variable ELT is equal to window dot document dot get element by id, then ELT id, then ELT dot set attributes, then source URL. Then finally we have to return a function. See, document method is returning an objects over here. So this is the formal method of document objects model. See, this is a get element by id. This is the element, then returns instance of the element. DOM define the host object, then represent the HTML element within a given ID. So this will be linked into the image source. See, the ID image source, some of the properties of the element instance, then corresponds to the attributes of the HTML element. It is automatically linked with the image one. So then set attributes. This method is inherited by the elements and instance for setting a values of an attributes. The src attributes of the HTML elements with specified ID, it is changed to the specified URL. The non-mouse over image1 src, then changed to the cfp22, then ping when mouse is over image, then cfp2 ping when leaves, the non-mouse out show, then image1, then cfp2 image. Then finally we close the paragraph tag, then body tag, then HTML tag, right? Then DOM history and levels, on mouse over, intrinsic event handling, at an occurrence of the something potentially interesting to your JavaScript, on mouse over and on mouse out even. See, on mouse over even when the cursor is move on the image, then automatically the image size will be increased. That will be called as on mouse over even. Then on mouse over followed by the event name. So these are the some intrinsic event handling. Then on load, on unload, then on click, non db click, then on mouse down, on mouse up, then on mouse over, then on mouse move, then on mouse out. So these are the basic intrinsic event handling function. Then on focus, on blur, on key press, on key down, on key up, on summit, on reset, on select, then on change. So this is a simple example of the intrinsic event handling. Then how we can use the on unload event, then on submit button, then on reset button. See, on unload, then windows dot alert. So this will be displayed in alert window. Then body loaded. Then on unload unloading. Then on submit button. Then on reset button. Then paragraph open. So all the things will be displayed in a paragraph format. We have to given in between the paragraph open and paragraph close. Then on key press, then on key select, then break, then input types equal to button name equal to a button, then value click as a me click me. See, once you click out, the pop-up window will be automatically appeared, the button is clicked. Then on focus, right windows dot alert submit the button get on focus. So when you click it, then on focus web button will be appear. Then input types equal reset, then name equal to a reset, then value reset. So these are all the reset buttons. Then paragraph close, then form close, then body close. Thank you.